Listen up, you lot. Breakfast. It's the most important bloody meal of the day. You think you can conquer the day on an empty stomach? You're dreaming. A proper breakfast fuels your body and mind, setting you up for a productive day. Now, I know what you're thinking. Chef, I'm swamped. Ain't nobody got time for a gourmet breakfast spread at 7 a.m. Well, you're right. Who has time for that? That's why I'm here to share 5 quick and healthy breakfast recipes even you can't muck up. First up, we've got overnight oats. This one's for all you lazy sods who can't even boil water in the morning. Grab a jar, any jar will do. Throw in your oats, a splash of almond milk, a spoonful of chia seeds, for some texture, you donkey, and a drizzle of honey. Mix it up, stick it in the fridge, and go to bed. In the morning, top it off with some fresh fruit and a sprinkle of nuts. It's so easy, even you lot can't mess it up. Next, we're taking on a classic, avocado toast, but we're doing it the right way. This isn't just any avocado toast, this is the ultimate version, the one that will make your taste buds dance and your mornings brighter. We're talking about a perfect blend of creamy avocado, crispy toast, and a luscious egg on top. So let's get started. First things first, you need to toast your bread. You can choose sourdough for that tangy flavor, whole wheat for a nutty taste, or even a hearty multigrain if you're feeling adventurous. The key is to get it nice and crispy, so it can hold up to all the delicious toppings we're about to pile on. While your bread is toasting, grab a perfectly ripe avocado. You know it's ready when it gives a little under gentle pressure. Cut it open, remove the pit, and scoop out that green goodness. Mash it up with a fork until it's nice and creamy, but still has a bit of texture. Spread it generously onto your hot toast, letting the heat from the bread melt the avocado slightly. Now it's time to season. A pinch of salt and a dash of freshly ground black pepper will do wonders. Don't skip this step. Even the simplest foods need a bit of seasoning to bring out their best flavors. You can also add a squeeze of lemon juice for a bit of brightness, or a sprinkle of garlic powder if you like a little extra kick. Now, for the star of the show, the egg. This is what takes your avocado toast from good to great. You can cook your egg any way you like. Fry it sunny side up for a beautiful runny yolk, scramble it for a fluffy texture, or poach it for that perfect delicate bite. The choice is yours, but make sure you cook it just right. The yolk should still be a bit runny so it can mingle with the avocado and create a rich creamy sauce. There's something magical about a runny yolk. It adds a luxurious velvety texture to your toast and makes every bite feel indulgent. So don't rush this step. Take your time and cook the egg to perfection. Once your egg is ready, gently lay it on top of your avocado toast. Be careful not to break the yolk. For an extra kick, sprinkle on some chili flakes. They add a nice bit of heat and a pop of color. You can also add other toppings like sliced radishes, cherry tomatoes, or even a drizzle of hot sauce if you're feeling bold. And there you have it, a breakfast fit for a king. This avocado egg toast is not just a meal, it's an experience. It's the perfect way to start your day with a burst of flavor and a boost of energy. So go ahead, take a bite and savor every moment. Enjoy! Chapter 3, Smoothie Bowl. Breakfast on the go. Short on time? Mornings can be hectic, and finding a nutritious breakfast that fits into your busy schedule can be a challenge. Always rushing out the door? We get it. Between getting ready for work, preparing the kids for school, and trying to squeeze in a quick workout, mornings can feel like a race against the clock. Then this smoothie bowl is your new best friend. It's quick, easy, and packed with nutrients to kickstart your day. Chuck some frozen berries, a banana for sweetness, a handful of spinach, because yes, you need your greens. And don't worry, you won't even taste it. Spinach is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, and it blends seamlessly into the smoothie, and a good glug of almond milk into a blender. Almond milk is a great dairy-free option that's low in calories and high in vitamin E. Blitz it until it's smooth like a baby's backside. The blending process only takes a minute or two, making it perfect for those mornings when you're in a rush. Pour it into a bowl, and you'll see the vibrant colors of the berries and spinach. It's not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a feast for your eyes. And now for the fun part, the toppings. This is where you can get creative and add your favorite ingredients to make the smoothie bowl even more delicious and nutritious. Grab some granola for crunch, which adds a delightful texture contrast to the smooth base. Granola is also a good source of fiber and can help keep you full until lunchtime. A few extra berries for freshness, which not only enhance the flavor, but also add a burst of color and additional vitamins. And maybe even a drizzle of honey if you've got a sweet tooth. Honey is a natural sweetener that can provide a quick energy boost. There you have it, a nutritious breakfast you can take on the go. No excuses. Whether you're eating it at home or taking it with you, this smoothie bowl is a perfect way to start your day on a healthy note. Enjoy the convenience and the burst of flavors, and feel good knowing you're fueling your body with wholesome ingredients. Chapter 4. Quick Breakfast Wrap. Portable and packed with protein. Now, for those of you who need something a bit more substantial to get you through the morning, let's whip up a quick breakfast wrap. Scramble some eggs, and don't you dare overcook them. Warm up a tortilla, whole wheat of course, and then let's build this masterpiece. Lay down a bed of spinach, pile on those scrambled eggs, add some juicy cherry tomatoes for sweetness, and a sprinkle of cheese because, well, cheese makes everything better. Roll it up tight, and you've got yourself a portable breakfast that's packed with protein and flavor. Chapter 5. Peanut Butter Banana Sandwich, a childhood classic remastered. Last but not least, we're revisiting a childhood classic, the peanut butter and banana sandwich. But we're not talking about your soggy, sad-looking school lunchbox sandwiches. We're elevating it. Grab 2 slices of good quality bread. I'm talking whole grain, seeded, the works. Slather 1 slice with peanut butter, crunchy or smooth, the choice is yours. Slice up a ripe banana and arrange it on top of the peanut butter. Now, for a touch of sweetness and a flavor explosion, drizzle over some honey, slap on the other slice of bread, and there you have it, a childhood classic, remastered. See, breakfast doesn't have to be a chaotic nightmare. Mornings can be hectic, with everyone rushing to get ready for the day. But with a little planning and some quick, easy recipes, you can turn that chaos into a smooth, enjoyable start to your day. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly made breakfast knowing that you have something delicious and nutritious waiting for you. It sets a positive tone for the rest of the day. With these 5 quick and easy recipes, you've got no more excuses for skipping the most important meal of the day. Whether you're a fan of sweet or savory, there's something here for everyone. From overnight oats that you can prepare the night before, to a quick avocado toast that takes just minutes to make, these recipes are designed to fit into your busy schedule. And the best part, they're all packed with nutrients to keep you energized and focused throughout the morning. Fuel your body and mind the right way, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. A good breakfast can improve your concentration, give you the energy to tackle your tasks, and even boost your mood. Think of it as the fuel that powers your day. When you start your morning with a balanced meal, you're setting yourself up for success. So why settle for a quick coffee and a pastry when you can have something that's both delicious and good for you? Now go on, get in the kitchen and show me what you've got. Cooking doesn't have to be a chore. It can be a fun and creative way to start your day. Experiment with different ingredients, try new recipes, and make breakfast a meal you look forward to. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you cook, the more confident you'll become in the kitchen. So grab your apron, turn on some music, and enjoy the process of making a delicious breakfast. And don't forget to share your culinary masterpieces with me in the comments below. I love seeing what you come up with, and your ideas might inspire others as well. Whether it's a beautifully plated dish or a quick snap of your breakfast on the go, share your photos and let me know how these recipes are working for you. Your feedback is important, and it helps me create even better content for you. Tell me, what are your go-to quick breakfast recipes? I'm always on the lookout for new ideas, and I know our community has some amazing cooks. Share your tips and tricks, and let's create a space where we can all learn from each other. Whether it's a family recipe passed down through generations or a new creation you came up with, I want to hear about it. Let's make breakfast the best meal of the day together. Let's share the knowledge and inspire each other to start our days like champions. Breakfast is more than just a meal. It's a way to connect with others and start the day on a positive note. When we share our recipes and ideas, we're building a community that values good food and good company. So let's come together, share our best breakfast tips, and make every morning a little brighter. And while you're at it, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more delicious and easy recipes, and I'll see you in the next video. Your support means the world to me, and it helps me continue to create content that you love. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Together, we can make breakfast the highlight of the day. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.